Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, according to where you are. Welcome to our TaiyangNews Reliable PV Module Design 2025 conference, which is part of our regular online conference offering, and as usual, organized by our team in Asia and Europe. I am Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews, all about solar. Before we start, first of all, thanks a lot to our sponsors of this event. Longi is our platinum sponsor, then DMG, GC, and GCL are the gold sponsors of this event. And silver sponsors are Hanzo First and JTPB, also known as JTI. So, if you are new to us, some information on housekeeping. As you all know, we are hosting this virtual conference on Zoom platform, and Zoom has a chat function. We simply enabled it. So we consider this chat room as a virtual discussion room where you can chat with anyone publicly. But, a big but, please note this is a non-moderated chat area. So please, keep the netiquettes and please be aware, and then please be always nice with your comments, even if you don't agree with the statements from what is possibly is a competitor. And one more thing. So we always get a common query about how to access the presentations. The event is being recorded, and then we will share the recordings of these presentations of this entire conference once we get a go from the presenters on our YouTube channel. And yeah, so let's briefly talk about today's topic. So a little bit of background information. The solar industry today is transitioning faster than ever before. Technologies that are once needed years of research and qualifications are now being introduced, commercialized, and scaled within cycles that are almost compressed in real time. So these include examples of TopCon, heterojunction. Now we are also talking about perovskite and tandems based on perovskites and silicon. So not only the cell structures, there are also several technologies in the material segment, like new metallization formats, technologies, materials. So wide variety of bill of materials, varieties of backsheets, encapsulations, frames, and several designs. So really, to put it simple, the innovation is no longer is sequential. It is rather than stacked and parallel. So this rapid pace is exciting because, as me, if you are also in the technology segment, it's really very nice to see these vibrating technologies coming into the real production. But it also cautions to make sure that reliability does not become the trade-off for this innovation and very rapid speed. And then another alarming aspect is module prices are at rock bottom and remain uh, at this level for a long period. So this reality actually pushes the manufacturers to optimize, as everyone can understand, with every available avenue. And often this comes to the materials. Of course, there is also a lot of progress on the technology side, improving efficiency, efficacy, all this. But then, as for the direct cost, it is the materials, and which has a direct impact also on the reliability. And this is exactly why reliable module design became a business critical. And this also brought us together for the 2025 edition of the TaiyangNews Reliable PV Module Design Conference. I am very glad that we have, gathered the experts who not only understand the technology, but will also help us understand what it really means to engineer reliability into this new era of the PV. With this, I think enough of the background. So let's briefly look at the agenda. So we are looking the topic of reliability from four different point of views. We have two institutes, three module makers, one material supplier, and one cell maker that are speaking today. Going into the details, we have Johannes Stang from TÜV Rheinland, who will give us the keynote. Then Heng Sun from Longji will speak about the reliability aspect of the BC modules. Then Bojin from Hanzo First will speak about the encapsulation solutions for TopCon, especially from the UAID point of view, the ultraviolet induced degradation. This is followed by GCL's presentation on carbon traceability all along the value chain and how it helps in improving the reliability or better or to have a better overview on the reliability. GCL is represented by Roseanne Malachier, and after that, we have a leading research institute, Fraunhofer ISE. Ingrid Hedrick will present the recent reliability test results done at Fraunhofer ISE. And this is followed by a module maker, again, this time from DMEGC. Alejandro Cole Gracia will speak on the reliability aspect of the module design. Then we have a leading cell maker, JTPV, will give us the cell maker perspective of the reliability. So JTPV is represented by Chunduri An. And we will close the event with a panel where we reflect on the learnings and discuss how the new cell technologies and module designs are stress testing existing reliability standards in a ultra competitive business environment. Ingrid from Fraunhofer ISE, Rowan from GCL, and Shinrui from JTPV will join me in the panel. So that's an overview. So before starting the session, we would once again thank our sponsor, Longji, DMEGC, GCL, Hanzo Fast, and JTPV. Thanks a lot for making this event to happen.